Oh boy, doesn't everyone hate a Saturday morning? Especially when the coffee's almost out. I really could use a pick-me-up. Only if I had a surprise box from the Moyu Store with a really awesome build for me to do today. Oh wait, I do. Hey everyone, and welcome to Groove Builders, the show where we create together. I'm your host, Disorderly Cone, and welcome to Groove Builders Christmas Build Week, where we've been building a really awesome build from this surprise box given to us by the Moyu Store. And if you haven't checked these guys out yet, you definitely should. They have all kinds of unique puzzles and builds on there at great prices. And if you find something really awesome, I would suggest using our code GROOVE. Not only will you get a nice discount, but you'll also be helping out the channel, which I think is pretty sweet. Now, what does Saturday have in store for us? That's a great question, Groovers. Let's get down to the workbench and take a look at it. Your name is Steampunk Charlotte, and I will love you forever and ever. Oh, yes, we did it! We built the Saturday build! And this spider looks absolutely awesome. And not only that, but it came together extremely easy too. Yes, the centerpiece here, grabbing those little two brass knobs and putting them in the middle was a little bit tricky, but after a little bit of finagling, everything came together quite well. Yeah, the legs are awesome and totally tight, no need to worry about them. I've mastered the skills of putting these guys in place, and I'm sure that if you get this box, you'll master it too. I think of all the builds so far, this one is my favorite. Not just because it came together extremely easy, but also because of these really neat watch pieces in here. I love watch mechanics, and to see that put into this little tiny build here, even though it's not moving, there's no moving parts at all, there's no jewels or anything inside of them, just the movement pieces themselves, I think it really does add to the build. So far, we've done 6 full builds. And this one happens to be the biggest of the bunch, at least in height-wise. The last build we have to do is unknown to me. Believe it or not, even inside of the mystery box, when you can see some of the pictures, this one has a question mark on it. What is Sunday's build? That's a good question, Groovers. And I guess we'll have to wait till tomorrow to find out. Now, if you guys have a good time, don't forget to press that like button. And if you're new here, press subscribe too. We're currently trying to get to 4,000 subscribers and really could use your help. If you want to support the channel and build really cool stuff too, check out groovebuilders.ca. We have all kinds of really cool builds on there at great prices with fast shipping to the United States and Canada. Looking to pick up the surprise box and build your own spider? Well, check out the Moyu Store. They have some really neat builds on there, and at checkout, if you use code GROOVE, you'll not only be getting a discount, but you'll also be helping the channel, which I think is a really good deal. Until next time, Groovers, keep building. Now, I only want to hear stories from you, and I want them to be happy ones.